It's very big, 4,000. It's fish market bags. This is electric. Yes.
What am I on? Why not Christmas the first time? Hey, girls, I go school now.
You go see the boy go.
Madam, that's in the hot meal. It is smoky book. You will handicap. 70 years old man. Good morning, sir.
Money.
Good morning, ma'am.
Morning.
Good morning, sir.
Money.
Toddler, good morning, sir.
Yes, good morning. Enter now. Where you go?
I know you're going anywhere. I want us to greet on them.
You want to get... Come and go school, Jare.
You say they wise. Yeah, man. I greet up. Every touch is a red girl corner. Tell that they greet up. You're not too fast now. I greet up. Every touch is a red girl corner. Tell that they greet up. Pablo, I greet up.
We will handicap.
Shaman, like Jimmy, I greet up.
You go school, Abby?
Yes.
Yeah, they go now.
Oh, God. Now, wow. Let me go to the school.
Hey, man. These children never still come back from school till this time. Eh? Make I check them. After 4.
Who they leave pikin go school by themselves?
Yeah, they do.
Those
I dey see
at that
am.
age.
I dey see them.
I know, but I'm just saying
My
that.
children never come back from school. Oh.
Hmm.
You say? My children don't come to school today.
How realistic is it?
Over realistic.
I know, but
Good evening,
The boy green for one.
it's them portraying that you can leave children on their own.
Did I not still complaining that complaint yesterday?
This man in the first place. 70 years old man.
So now this is funny. Wow. Tell her to stop selling biscuits. Mama, let me finish your orange. Mama, leave it.
Mommy, this one is
Good job,
white
Mama.
too.
Good job, Mama. Mama, are you scribbling? Good job, Mama. Hey, you, do your assignment.
Properly. See, let me show you how to color. If I color for you. See. Look at me.
Me yourself, the color out. See the tissue color. I love you, laugh.
You should do what I did.
No. She try now.
Yeah, come on, right.
too.
Take, hold it. That's my right hand, sir.
You go say, what did they do this?
Yeah, come on, right here.
Good job, Mama. Good job, Mama. Good job.
No, not no pot.
What's that they say you should call it?
Chocolate with brown.
Chocolate is brown. Okay, oh yeah.
What is your daughter doing?
She's writing. Spoil it though. You not look at what you are doing.
Looking at.
So why is it not fitting properly? Oh yeah, do fast before your sister come and scatter everything again. Go to my altar. Go and bring pen.
Pen.
You see pen. Check carefully. Don't rush and don't scatter my things. Which one do you want to do? Chess, ballet. You can't do ballet. Homemakers. Taekwondo. Math fun club. Wordsmithing.
To do chess.
Chess.
Yes. I like chess.
Chess.
What do you know that it says? What does that do in chess?
I don't know. It's pawn that inside there.
Is what?
Queen and pawn.
Queen and pawn. Okay, you have an idea.